So we made it to the NEC and we're now in the Glee show and heading on to our first stand. So I'm now on the grass games stand and I've bumped into Steve. So Steve's going to tell us about some new products you've got.
I am. So we're launching at Glee this year a new product called Plant Games Bloom. So as a company, we've always been into lawn care and our company's called Grass Games, but we're stretching across into plants now. And we've developed two products for use with peat-free compost. So everybody's moving to peat-free, do the right thing environmentally, but actually there is a difference between peat and peat-free. Peat has no nutrients in it, so you need to add everything to it.
Right.
Peat-free has lots of potassium in it, so you don't need to add any more potassium. And if you like, the legacy plant foods all have lots of potassium. These two don't. They just have the nitrogen, the phosphate, the trace elements. So it makes it simpler.
So peat-free, you don't want potassium?
You don't want potassium. If you add more potassium, what you do is risk poisoning the plant.
Okay.
Because potassium is a salt, and plants don't like too much salt. So we're making sure that we're giving them the nutrients they're missing in a peat-free compost, but not adding the one thing they've already got an abundance of.
Okay. So how is this applied?
So really simple. Most of these kind of plant foods are used in beds and borders, not beds and borders, like in raised beds and tubs and baskets containers. So we've got a liquid feed that can be easily dosed, so a kind of a capful to a watering can, and watered over the plants on an ongoing basis. Or if you're potting up your tubs and containers in the first instance, you can mix some controlled release fertiliser in with them and that'll feed it all the way through the season.
Excellent. So when is this available and where is it available?
So these will be hitting the market next January 26, and they're going to be widely available then in garden centres and some of the bigger retailers, and they'll also be available online. So at our Grass Games website, on Amazon and our TikTok shop.
Excellent. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.